today we'll talk about how can you disable upvotes on your comments notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for your photo like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on account settings here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on manage notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to upvotes on your comments here, click in this sign or this color. Then like you see color, it's gone. That's mean upvotes on your comments notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.